Hello everyone, is my audio and video is fine? We will begin the session in just 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so I'm waiting for that. सेशन चालू करते हैं फटाफट. चलो, come on fast, be quick. We have to begin now. Hello, good evening to all of you. Is my audio and video is fine? Hello everyone, now we have to begin the session. Okay, so this session is totally for SBI PO pre only. Okay, and we shall be discussing the types of questions asked in previous year if we talk about SBI PO pre. Okay, अगर SBI PO pre की बात की जाए, so this session is totally based on that only, and we are talking about SBI PO pre 2020. Okay, so just comment is everything is fine, then we have to begin. Just tell me if everything is fine, then we will continue this. So now we will discuss few questions based on the miscellaneous topics. Okay, based on the miscellaneous topics. Hello SS Kumar, how are you? Based on the miscellaneous topic, we shall be discussing that, and our entire focus will be on SBI PO pre only. Okay, and this session will be useful for your upcoming clerical examination as well. Clerical pre-examination as well. Okay, so फटाफट join करो session को, then we have to continue. SS Kumar, is everything is fine? Audio and video is clear, SS Kumar? Okay, now let's start then. The first question we will be discussing on, that is of coding and decoding. Okay, तो पहले हम लोग discuss करेंगे that is coding and decoding, and the type of this question is substitutional coding. Okay, that we will discuss first, and this question is from RRB PO pre 2017. Okay, so the same type of question you can expect in your upcoming SBI PO pre exam as well. Okay, so if you know how to solve it, then just give it a shot. After that I will be discussing. Okay, just try to solve it if you know how to solve it. Okay, then I will start solving these questions. Just tell me you can solve, just comment me yes, then I will start. I will show you the question. Just first try to solve, and this is very important. as well. SS Kumar, Naga, can you both solve this? Those who are online, just comment whether you are able to solve it or not. Then I will start solving. Then I will tell you the approach of solving these kind of questions quickly in examination. Okay. So just tell me whether you can solve it or not. हो पा रहा है कि नहीं हो पा रहा है? Just tell me this thing. Solve कर पा रहे हो कि नहीं? Very good, Akash. Hi, Nidhi Kumari. How are you? Okay, what about the other student? There are 15 student which is seeing me right now. I need comments from all of you guys. Okay. So just try to comment the answer. If you have just done it, then I will show you the questions. Okay. If you have done it, just write down done. Okay. Okay. Yes, Akash, I will be discussing that. And those who are seeing this question for the very first time, they don't know how to solve it, then I will solve it as well. Okay. So I hope आप लोगों ने try कर लिया होगा. I hope you have solved this one. For just comment me you have done or not. Played is for GS on ground. HU, yes. Hi Sandeep. Now just give me the answer of this. If you have done this, then give me the answer of this. Yes, very good, Sandra. Just try to give the answer of this. Okay, and do not forget to like the session, guys. This session is for you only, and the questions is very important for your upcoming SBI PO pre-exam. Okay. Okay. So may I solve it then? Just tell me, may I solve it? May I solve it? Very good, Sandra. संदीप चौधरी भाई कोशिश करो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने की, ठीक है? संदीप चौधरी, जस्ट ट्राई टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन. Okay, so the question is, those who are seeing this for the first time, I am late. No issue, Nidhi Kumari. This is the first question of our session, today's session. Okay, so no need to worry. I will be discussing each and everything. No need to worry, Nidhi. Okay, so let's begin then. So how to solve these kind of questions in examination quickly? See, what you have to do. You can observe here that this is a single statement. On the basis of this statement, a code is written. Okay, so we have 4 words in the statement and we have 4 code. So what do you mean by this? It means that every word is coded for the another word. Okay, एक कोड दूसरे कोड से कोडेड हुआ है, ठीक है? Every word is coded for another code. So this is the meaning. So how to solve it? Hi Nasreen, good evening. So how to solve it? See, the best approach is we have to find the common. Okay, we have to find the common between the statement. What we have to do, we have to find the common between the statement. See, this is statement number 1, statement number 2, statement number 3 and statement number 4. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to find out how RAM is coded in terms of this coded language. RAM को कैसे कोड किया गया है इसमें से, प्लेट को कैसे कोड किया गया है इसमें से, and the and cricket is coded from this. Okay, so this we have to focus upon. So how we can solve it? We can solve by using common method. Okay, hi Kavitha. So this is first statement and this is second statement. Just compare first with second statement. I hope you are getting. Just compare which word you can see common. Played and played you can see common in both. Okay, and which code you can see common here? HU. So I can say played is coded as HU. Okay, this is played. Let me write down clearly. PLAYED. Played is coded as HU. Okay, now is there any other word common? No, so we have crossed played. Now next one, compare first with third. This is third. Which word is common? RAM is common, only RAM is common, and then we have to check first and third code only. Okay, so what is common in both? GB. So RAM code will be GV. Okay, so these questions are very important, student, because this will fetch you total 5 marks. This is 5 to 3 mark question. So okay, so do focus on it. रीजनिंग के लिए कौन सी बुक परचेज करें यार? योगेश, रीजनिंग के लिए बुक तो कोई ऐसी ऑथेंटिक है नहीं मार्केट में जो मैं आपको बता दूं, ठीक है? आप कोशिश करो, कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर करके मॉक लगाओ, वो सबसे बेस्ट तरीका है। क्वेश्चंस भी आपको नए मिल जाएंगे और आपको समझने में भी आसानी होगी। ओके, नाउ so we have coded played and we have find out the code of RAM. So this is GV, okay, and this is HU. Now the and cricket is left. Where is the? The is on the fourth statement and the is over here. Which code we can see common? ST. Okay, so the code will be ST. See, I am explaining over here, that is why it is taking a time. Otherwise these question can be solved very quickly. बहुत जल्दी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएंगे एग्जाम में आपसे। नाउ नेक्स्ट व्हाट वी कैन डू, ऑन फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट वी हैव फाइंड आउट ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड। राम प्लेड क्रिकेट, राम प्लेड द, वी हैव फाइंड। नाउ व्हिच वर्ड इज लेफ्ट? क्रिकेट इज लेफ्ट, so cricket is coded for the leftover code, that is MB. Okay, so cricket code will be MB. Now we have coded played. Okay, we have find out the code of played. Now which one is left? Bat on ground. On and on I can see over second and third statement. What is common in both? TM. So I can say on code is TM. Okay, so we have find out on as well. Bat and ground is left. Okay, and on is also common in fourth one. Now bat and ground is left. Ground is common in second and ground is common in fourth. Okay, so what is common code in both? DA. So ground code will be DA. Okay, ground code will be DA. Now bat is left. Bat code will be coded as the leftover code of the second statement. Leftover code is PU. So bat will be coded as PU. देखो स्टूडेंट, जो कोड बच गया स्टेटमेंट में उसका बचा हुआ कोड हो जाएगा. That you have to keep in mind. Now we have coded RAM, or we have find out the code of RAM, but we don't know anything about good behavior. We have coded DA as well. See, is any other statement we can see good behavior common in any of the different statement apart from this third one? This is third statement. Okay, if any other we can see good behavior? No. So we cannot find good behavior correct answer. Okay, so we can say that either good or behavior will be coded as NH and MK. NH and MK. This question will be of either or. Are you getting my point or not, student? Just tell me. Now goes is left, so goad will be coded as RS. Okay, goes RX. Is everything is common? Is everything is clear? बताओ, are you able to understand it or not? Just tell me quickly. समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? So this should be your approach, and this common method should be done in exam within less than 3 minutes. Okay, in less than 3 minutes you can easily score 5 marks. But you should be cautious while solving the codes. Is it clear, student? Just tell me. Is it clear? फटाफट बताओ. Is it clear? Everybody come on. Now we have to discuss question based on it. Good. Now what is the code of MK? Okay, now we have to tell what is the code of MK, or how MK is coded as. So I can see MK can be either good or behavior. Okay, either good or behavior. So it should be option number D. Now question number 2, what is the code for ground? Very good Sandra. Ground is DA, so we have to mark option number D. Okay, what is the code for played? What is the code for played? So where is played? Played is here, HU we can say. Okay, so we have to mark HU. These are very easy questions and you have to score full mark on this. Okay, there should be no chances that you do any kind of silly mistake in these kind of questions. Okay, only these kind of questions can improve your scores in examination. What may be the possible code for ground bat? Okay, so what is the code for ground? We have to check. Let me check again. What is the code for ground? Ground is DA and bat is PU. So DA and PU, option number D is the correct answer. Okay, so shall we move to next question then? Shall we move to next one? अगले पे जाएं. See, any kind of confusion in finding the code, then you can tell me. Okay. Do like the session, students. These questions are for you only, and these will be very, very helpful in your upcoming pre-examinations. That I am telling you. Now, next we have to solve. Now, try to solve this. Question number 5. Do like the session and do not forget to share. See, your likes and comment motivates us. That's only the thing. That is why I keep on telling like my session. Because as much as I am giving the effort, it should be full worth according to your side. Okay, so that only I can able to get it through your likes and comment. So that you have to do. Okay, just try to solve question number 5. These are the miscellaneous questions. Okay, just try to solve it, and this is 1 mark. This is your SBI PO pre question. Just try to solve, bhai. I am waiting for it. Just try to solve. Any answer? Just try to think. In a certain code, this is written as this, and this is written as this. Then you have to find out how this should be written. This is the question. So just give me the answer. Let me write it down. 10. Option number E. Very good, Ananya. Very, very good. 10, 23, 52. Now next should be 5, 11, 26. Okay. And this is 61, 18, 47. The next is 39, 23. Now what we have to find? 3616. 25, 11. This we have to find. So how to solve this? See, for solving this, what we have to do, we have to analyze the pattern. This one with this one. This one is with this one, and the same pattern we have to apply over here. Okay, so 10 to 5, what happens? Divided by 2. 52 to 26, what happens? Divided by 2. 23 to 11, what happens? If I divide 23 by 2, I will get 11.5. So just neglect the decimal and write down the whole number. Just neglect the decimal and write down the whole number. Just see over here, if I divide 61 by 2, I will get 30.5. Okay, I will get 30.5. Just neglect the decimal and write down complete number. Divide by 2, 9. Divide by 2, it should be 23.5. Then I will write down 23. So the pattern is just divide by 2 and do not put decimal. Ignore the decimal. This is the pattern. Okay, so just divide it. 1808. 12. It should be 12. 12.5 will be the answer if I divide 25 by 2, but 0.5 we have to eliminate, or we don't have to count. Then divide by 2, we will get 5.5. So the answer should be this one. Means option number E. Okay, is it clear? Yes, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. बहुत अच्छे. Moses, Matthew, Nasreen, Sandra, Naga. Yes, very good, very good. Is it clear? This is the pattern. Divide by 2 and ignore the decimal. This is the pattern. Divide by 2 and ignore the decimal. Now we are moving to next question. In this video, I will be going to explain the SBI PO Pre 2019 paper pattern as well. Okay, so that I will be discussing in the mid of this video. So we will discuss the strategy for SBI PO Pre as well. Okay, now let us solve this one. These are the model question, Nasreen, only. These questions are model questions only, Nasreen. This is from your SBI PO Pre questions paper. Malayalis, Poli letter. What do you mean by this? VC. Ananya Krishna. C answer. Okay. Okay. C answer. See what we have to do. How many pairs of letters are there in the word minute? Each of which have as many letters between them in the word as they have between them in English alphabetical series. See how many of you are able to get the meaning of this question. Just tell me. How many of you are able to understand what the question is asking about? Just tell me this thing. How many of you can tell? How many of you can tell the exact meaning of this question? Okay. See student, just look at the example. I'm explaining you what is the meaning of this. See, we have alphabet that is 26. In English alphabetical series we have 26 alphabet. Okay. See, if I need to count that same letter between them, what we have to do, let's look at the example. Suppose A is there. Okay. A, B, C, D, then D is there. Suppose there is a word A and D which is written in this word. Suppose there is two alphabet that is A and D. Okay, Sandra, just focus on the screen. I am explaining. Okay, let me give you the example. Suppose if there is a word that is, suppose we have two alphabet that is A and D in any given particular word. Okay, in any given particular word. Now we have two alphabet between them, that is E, okay, and that is T. So what we have to do, we have to count forward from A to D. This is known as forward direction. From A to D, it is known as forward direction. From D to A, it is known as backward direction. So in English alphabetical series, we know that after A, B come, then after B, C come, and after C, D come. Okay, there is a gap of two alphabet between A and D in English alphabetical series. We know this thing. Okay, there is a gap of two alphabet between A and D in English alphabetical series. Okay, so the same gap is there or not in this word? Yes, there is a gap of two alphabet between A and D. So the gap is same in English alphabetical series as in this word. This we have to find out. So this is a pair. Okay, A and D will make a pair. Why? Because the gap is same in both the word as they have same in English alphabetical series. जो English alphabetical series है हमारी A से D, A से B, A से Z तक होता है, उन दो वर्ड के बीच में गैप सेम होना चाहिए जो इस वर्ड में होगा. Okay, okay Akash, let me check. So how to solve it? I am explaining how to solve it from M to E. This is known as left to right, or we can say forward direction. See here, it is not written. We have to count whether forward and backward. Okay, it is not written, so we have to count from both the side if it is not written in the question. Okay, we have to calculate from both the side if it is not given in the question, and this question is very important. It is 1 mark question and it is always gets repeated in your pre-examination as well. ओके आपके प्री एग्जाम में हर बार रिपीट होता है. एंड हेयर फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड इज नॉट रिटन. जनरली इन क्वेश्चन फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड इज रिटन, बट हेयर इट इज नॉट रिटन. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू काउंट फ्रॉम बोथ द साइड. So M to E is known as forward and E to M is known as backward, or we can say right to left. यहां तक everything is clear till here? Everything is clear or not? Just tell me. Till here everything is clear or not? Just tell me. क्वेश्चन में फॉरवर्ड बैकवर्ड मेंशन होता है. अगर मेंशन ना हो तो आपको दोनों साइड लेके चलना है. ओके very good, very good. Now what we have to do, we have to start from M. Okay, in English alphabetical series, after M which alphabet should come? After M, N is not there, so it will not make a pair. After N, O is not there. Then P is not there. Q is not there. Then R is not there. So from M forward direction it will not make any pair. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to count from I. Then I will tell you the trick as well, how to solve this question quickly in examination. That I will also tell you, but first I will tell you the basic method. This is the basic method and it will take time, but when I tell you the trick, this question can be solved within less than 30 seconds. Okay, so trick bhi bataunga, no need to worry. Now we have to count from I. Okay, after I which alphabet should come? I, J is not there. K is not there. L, M, no. So from forward direction from I it is not making any pair. Now N. Okay, N. After N, O, then P, then Q, no, it is not making any pair. Now from U to T, no. After U V should come, V is not there. W should come, W is not there, so it is not making any pair. After T, S should be there, so from T also it is not making any pair. So in forward direction we have 0 pair. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to count from backward direction. Okay, we have to count from backward direction. So after E, F, then G, then H, then I. Yes, I is there, so from E to I it will form a pair. Okay, so the sir, why you used A and D different letters? Nasin, I have used because that was the example. Okay, that was the example to make you understand, nothing else. Okay, so after E, F should be there, F is not there. Then G is not there. Then H is not. Then I, yes, I is there, so E and I will make a pair. So one pair will be E and I from backward direction. I, then J, no. From T to U, yes. After T, U is there, yes. T is U is there, so T and U will form a pair. U, V, W, X, no. Okay, so T and U is another pair. After U there is no bigger alphabet. Okay, after N, O, P, no. Okay, after I, J, no. So how many pairs we have got? How many pairs we have got, student? We have got 2 pairs. Okay, that is option number C, 2 pairs from the backward direction. This is the trick. Yes, very good, very good. Trinath, बहुत बढ़िया भाई. So we have got 2 pairs. Yes, absolutely correct. Very good, very good, very good. We have got 2 pairs. So shall I tell you the trick? Trick बताएं फिर. Shall I tell you the quickest method to solve these kind of questions? Now we will discuss the trick. Basics is clear to all of you? Just tell me. Now I will discuss the trick of solving these kind of question. Yes, very good, Nasrin. It is 2. Yes, Vani Viswanathan. Very good. Yes, Kavitha. Yes. Okay, Anupama. Okay, chalo. I am explaining the trick now. Let me rub all of this. So that was the basic. Okay, you should know the basic as well. Now what we have to do, we have to write down minute, M-I-N-U-T-E. This is the minute which is given to us. Now the trick is we have to use the place values of the alphabet. What we have to do, place value of alphabet. Okay, we have to use the place value. What is the place value? so you should know P should come at 16 place in English alphabetical series, W should come at 23 place, okay, and S is coming at 19 place. So these place values should be on your tips if you want to apply this trick over here. The trick is based on the place value. ओके, सो ट्रिक जो है आपका प्लेस वैल्यू के ऊपर बेस्ड होता है. आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, यू शुड नो द प्लेस वैल्यू. प्लेस वैल्यू क्या होता है, जैसे DE पे D4 पे आता है, I9 पे आता है, दैट्स हाउ यू हैव टू डू. ओके, सो यू हैव टू अप्लाई द प्लेस वैल्यू. आपको प्लेस वैल्यू अप्लाई करना है एंड यू विल गेट द आंसर. ओके, किसी को इश्यू है हिंदी में तो बता देना, आई विल एक्सप्लेन हिंदी एज वेल. ओके, सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, जस्ट राइट डाउन द प्लेस वैल्यूज. M place value is 13, I is 9, N is 14, U is 21, T is 20, and E is 5. Okay, this is the place value. So how to learn the place value, I will give you one session in my next session. अगले सेशन में क्या होगा, I will tell you the trick to learn all these place value from 1 to 26 of alphabet. Okay, if you want to learn the trick, then I will explain you the trick to learn every place value on your tips. Okay, in 5 minutes you will learn all 26 alphabets place value, that's my promise, and you will not forget. 5 मिनट के अंदर आपको ये क्लियर हो जाएगा कि कौन सा अल्फाबेट कौन से प्लेस वैल्यू पे आता है. ठीक है, बट नेक्स्ट सेशन में बताऊंगा. इफ आई गॉट 50 लाइक्स इन दिस वीडियो देन आई विल टोटली एक्सप्लेन the trick of learning these place value. Okay, if you want to learn the place, अगर आपको learn करना है, just tell me, I will tell you the trick in my next session. So how to do it now? Now on the basic method, what we were trying to do, we were counting the alphabet. Okay, by doing +1 in every alphabet. हम every alphabet में क्या कर रहे थे, +1 कर रहे थे in every alphabet. But here we have to do what, we have to count from the number by doing the +1. Okay, we have to found the greater number, that's it. We have to found the greater number compared to previous one. See, 13 is there, so greater number should be 14. 14 is not there, then 15 is not there, then 16 is not there, 17 not there, and then 18 is not there. So from 13 we are not forming any pair. 9, after 9 10 is not there, 10 11 12 13 no. 14 is there, after 14 15 16 17 no. Okay, after 21 22 is there, no. 23 is there, no. So as I analyze the number, I can see we are not forming any pair from the forward direction by seeing the place value. Okay, कोई place value का number use करके we are not getting any pair. Okay, and how to apply the place value, we have to check the greater number by doing +1 of that particular number. So 13 is the number, the greater number should be +1. After doing in 13, that is 14. Okay, then 15, then 16, just like the in basic method we have to do, we are doing the +1 in alphabet. जैसे हम alphabet में +1 कर रहे थे, यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, you have to do +1 in numbers. Okay, number में आपको +1 करना पड़ेगा, that you have to do, nothing else. Okay, this is the trick and these can be solved very quickly. Now 5 is there, after 5 I cannot see no closer bigger number to it. Okay, so I will not count from E. I know that 20 and 21 can make a pair, but I know that 5 is there, 6 7 8 9, so 5 and 9 will also form another pair. Okay, so I can say I have got two values. No need to check after 14 and 13. Why? Because I cannot see any closer number greater than 14 immediately next to it. Okay, or further next to it. So this is how you can solve. Just apply the place value, you can solve each and every question very quickly. Okay, so shall we discuss one more question on it? Just tell me quickly. क्या हम इस पे एक और क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करें? डू यू वांट इट? फटाफट बताओ. द क्वेश्चन विल बी सेम, आई विल चेंज द वर्ड. आई विल चेंज द वर्ड, द क्वेश्चन विल बी सेम. शैल वी डिस्कस वन क्वेश्चन एज वेल? Just tell me, student, come on. You don't want to learn the trick, okay? Just tell me. I am telling you, you can learn each and every place value within 5 minutes and you will not forget. Okay, while solving the question, each and every place value will come in your mind while solving the question automatically. No need to write it. Okay, chalo, one more question then. I am giving you just 2 minutes, not more than that. ADUCATION. In the word education, you have to tell this. How many pairs are there? Just 2 minutes. Use the place value or that basic method is your choice. If you know the place value, then you apply it. If you don't, then follow the basic method. but I need answer. At least I need 50 likes from all of you. Okay, just share this video, just tell them to like it. If there is a 50 like now, then I will 100% tell you the trick. This is my promise, but you have to promise me this will. Okay, this as well. Just 50 like, nothing else. And all these tricks is totally on our Entri app. Okay, and these tricks are only available for those who have subscribed our premium course. But this trick I will tell you over this platform free of cost. But I need one thing, that is 50 like. Then I will tell you the place value tricks and the reverse alphabet place value trick as well. Okay, you will not forget. That is my promise. Trinath, no, not to. Yes, अम्मे, very good, बहुत अच्छे, बहुत बढ़िया अम्मे कृष्णा. 5 is absolutely correct answer. Missy Charlie, no, 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 no. It's not 2. It's not 2. Amma Krishna is 5, okay. Yes, 5 is correct answer. Okay, come on. More comments quickly. Fatafat, tell me. Akash Shukla, where is your answer? Come on, come on, come on. Where is Nasreen and Anupama? Your answer? Not okay. Answer 4. Okay, good, Nasreen. Okay. Nicely, no, not nicey. No, not 2 answer. Anupama. Where is Vani? Where is Sandra? I need answers from all of you. Yeah, you are our regular student, and so you should participate just like your offline classes. Then only you will be able to learn it all these things very quickly. Okay, so you should participate. If I ask any kind of question, you have to answer. It doesn't matter if you are answering it right or wrong. It doesn't matter. But you are practicing on here itself. Okay, so that's matter. You will able to know your mistakes. If you give the answer, if you comment, you will be able to know your mistakes, and that will help you to improve a lot in reasoning. Okay, Akash Shukla, yes. 5 4 21. How many pair? 4 4 4. Okay, chalo, let me write down. 5 4 21 3 1 20 9 15 and 14. See how to solve it quickly. Backward and forward, both directions allowed. Backward be allowed hai, forward be allowed hai. Now 14 15 backward, it is forming a pair, so I can say one pair is ON. Okay, 5 and 4, or I can say 4 or 5, one pair is this. Okay, now 3 4 5 6, no. Okay, 1 is there, 1 2 3 4, from 1 to 4 another pair, from 1 to 5 again another pair. Okay, so how many pair we have got? 4. Is there any other pair left? Is there any other pair left? Just tell me. 4 is there, 5 6 7 8 9. Yes, from 4 to 9 I can say there is also another pair. So in total we have 1 2 3 4 5 pair we got. Okay, 4 is not the wrong, 4 is not the correct answer, 5 is the correct answer. Yes, more than 3. Yes, more than 3. D option you can mark in this. If you change the option, so you can say more than 4. Okay, so these are the options of previous and you can say more than 4. Okay, so 5 option is correct. भैया, is everything is clear? बताओ यहाँ तक सबको ठीक है? देखो प्लेस वैल्यू से कितनी जल्दी सॉल्व हो गया. So what you have to observe in this case, in the place value you have to see the greater number closer to that number. You have to see the greater number closer. Just you need to check, nothing else. Okay, greater closer number. From backward and forward, both the direction. Shall I move to next question? Very good, very good. Those who have answered 4, it means they got the concept. Okay, those who told me the answer 2, it means they need to learn the concept again. 4 वाला जिसने आंसर दिया, it means they understood. Okay, So I think 5 is the correct answer. So let me move to next one. Okay, just tell me this thing. How will you solve? If champion is coded as this. One more question, Nicey. I will give you at the end of the session. You have to answer me in my next session. Okay, then we will discuss again that. No need to worry, Nicey. Okay, I will give you at the end of the session. We will discuss that in our next session. Okay, so champion. Or what you can do, Nicey? You can see the video again. Champion, N B I D M N H O. Then how will you code electron? This is your IBPS PO pre 18 question, and the cost of this question is 1 mark. Now just tell me, this is coding decoding question. So how you can solve this? By using the place value. This question will be solved very quickly. Okay, so place value is very important. Chalo, just try to solve it. And you can say this is important question. Pattern is important. Just try to solve. फटाफट solve करो भाई. Just try to solve it. D answer. Okay, very good. What is the pattern? अच्छा भाई solve तो करना है. You have to tell me the pattern. जो हिंदी वाले स्टूडेंट है भैया solve करके you have to tell me the pattern. Okay, just tell me the option and then pattern. Pattern भी बताओ, option भी बताओ. प्रशांत नेगी भाई बहुत बढ़िया. डी आंसर. ओके प्रशांत भाई पैटर्न बताओ. व्हाट इज द पैटर्न? आई नीड टू नो द पैटर्न एज वेल. सी स्टूडेंट जुड़े रहो साथ में, बहुत कुछ सिखा दूंगा. यहाँ पे आपकी लाइव क्लासेस चल रही हैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट. यू विल बी एबल टू लर्न लॉट ऑफ दोज थिंग्स विच वी यूज टू टेल इन अवर सब्सक्रिप्शन कोर्स. तो आपको वो भी यहाँ मिल जाएगा, बट एक्चुअली सब्सक्रिप्शन कोर्स इज डिफरेंट. वहां पे सब कुछ है, यहाँ उसका थोड़ा थोड़ा पोर्शन आपको मिल जाएगा. ओके, सो ऑल दी सेशंस ऑफ रीजनिंग विल बी वेरी वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू. चाहे कोई सा भी एग्जाम हो, इट विल बी वेरी वेरी बेनिफिशियल. डी. Okay, see how to solve it. First write down their place value. C is 3, H is 8, A is 1, M is 13, P is 16, I is 9, O is 15 and N is 14. Now this is 14, 2, 9, 4, 13, 14, 8, 15. Amya Krishna. Divide 8 letters into 4, then first letter are reverse and then add next letter. Very good Nasreen, very good Amya, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत अच्छे. I am highly impressed to see your answers and your explanation. Very good, बहुत अच्छे. 5 claps from my side. बहुत अच्छी बात है. Okay, now how to identify the pattern? See, Amya has told the correct. Okay, see what we have to do whenever we get bigger word. कभी भी हमें कोई बड़ा वर्ड मिले, बिगर वर्ड मीन्स मोर देन 5 लेटर यू कैन से, इन मैक्सिमम केसेस मोर देन 5 लेटर. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू फर्स्ट चेक द हाफ पैटर्न. बट हाफ पैटर्न यू हैव टू चेक इन इवन नंबर अल्फाबेट. ओके, इन इवन नंबर अल्फाबेट मीन्स जस्ट काउंट द नंबर ऑफ अल्फाबेट इन चैंपियन. हाफ में डिवाइड कब करना है? जब भी आपका इवन नंबर ऑफ अल्फाबेट वाला वर्ड हो. यू हैव टू डिवाइड द वर्ड इन हाफ then only when it is all about the even number letter. Just count how many number of letter are there. 1, C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have got even number letter. Okay, in even number letter what we have to do, we have to follow half pattern. Just divide it into 2 equal parts and you will get your answer. This is the trick of solving these kind of question. Okay, and it will follow always. And I will tell you in the case of odd in our next session, but in this session we have got the question of even number of letters. So what you have to do in even number of letter, just divide them into half if you are not able to get the pattern. Okay, so just divide it in half, divide कर दिया हमने. Okay, from, so look at the closer alphabet from C. The closer alphabet from C is B and D. ओके, बोथ आर द क्लोजर, दोनों के दोनों क्लोज है कि नहीं, क्लोज है सी से. ओके, फ्रॉम सी इट कैन बी -1 एंड फ्रॉम सी टू डी इट कैन बी +1. बोथ द केसेस आर पॉसिबल. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू डिवाइड द word into two equal parts when we got even number of letter. ओके, देन वी हैव टू चेक क्लोजर अल्फाबेट. उसके क्लोज अल्फाबेट कौन सा होगा कोड में जिसके बारे में क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है. सो सी के क्लोजर क्या है भाई बी एंड सी के क्लोजर क्या है भाई डी. Okay, both are the closer. So if I go for B ना, I will not get anywhere any else pattern in this. अगर मैं C से B पे जाऊंगा, so मुझे कोई पैटर्न नहीं मिलेगा. So what I have to do, I have to go from C to D. So what is the pattern? +1, M to N, +1, A to B, +1, S to I, +1. So I can say this is the cross pattern. And in many times this question asked in examination. In many times this question has been asked in examination. So this is the cross pattern and it is very important question. And next, from P to O -1, from N to M -1. So this is -1, -1, -1, -1 pattern. Okay, so this same pattern we have to apply over here. Okay, just count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So we have got 8. So this half was following +1 pattern and this half was following -1 pattern. So C +1 is D, E +1 is F, again F, L +1 is M. Okay, so D F M F, D F M F, both are possible. This is not possible, this is not possible. So just eliminate the option. Now this one, T -1, T -1 is S, N -1 is M. So I can say MS is over here only. Just mark it and this is your answer. Just mark it and this is your answer. Is it clear भाई, बताओ समझ में आया आप लोगों को? Shall we move to next one? So I told you the trick of identifying the cross pattern. How to identify the cross pattern, that trick I have already discussed over here in the case of even number of alphabet. The trick is clear or not? Trick समझ में आया? Trick is clear or not? Just tell me. Are you able to understand the trick? Nasreen, Amyan, Prashant, Akash, and Naisi, Vani, Anupama. There are so many students which is seeing us live. Just tell me, is it clear? So shall we move further then? Okay. Now this one is an easy question. Anybody can do it, and this is only the miscellaneous question, and you can expect +1 mark in this as well. So just try to solve it. Very good, Nasreen. Very good. See, Nasreen, just support us. All the session will be very interesting only. Okay. आपको बहुत कुछ नया बता दूंगा सेशन में, but I need your likes, I need your share. बस that thing I want, and I will help you जितना मेरे से हो सकेगा. चलो आंसर इट, इजी वन. 6 2 4 7 3 9 8 5 4. Okay, the question is missing. Thank you, Akash. Thank you. Okay, let me check the question now. I think there is an error in this one. Okay, now I think it is clear. Chalo. Now question is clearly visible to all of you. Tell me. So So the question is 6 2 4 7. Come on, answer. 6 2 4 7 3 9 8 5 4. Okay. Okay. So चलो what we have to do, one we have to add an even number. हमें even number में क्या करना है, +1. Okay, and 1 is subtracted from odd number, and what we have to do, we have to subtract -1 from odd. See, these all are the question which always comes in pre-examination, whether we talk about SBI, IBPS, Clerk, Pre-O, Pre-RRB, any exam. These questions always comes. Okay, and it fetch you 1 mark. So you can expect from this session 3 to 5 questions in from the miscellaneous category. Okay, you can expect from this session only. इस session से आपके question clear हो जाएंगे. So even is 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, plus 1 is what we have to do, we have to do +1. Let me change the pen. 7, this is even, 3, this is even, 5, this is odd, 6 -1 we have to do, this is odd -1, this is odd -1, 2 8, this is even, +1 9, this is -1 4, +1 5. Now we have to check what is the sum of the digits which is fifth from the left hand. So from 7 to 5 it is known as left to right. Okay, that I already told you. Now from 5 to 7 it is known as right to left. Okay, count fifth from the left hand. So 1 2 3 4 5. Fifth from the left hand is 2. Fifth from the left hand is 2, and fourth from the right hand. So 1 2 3 4. Fourth from the right hand is 8. What is the sum of digit? 10. So option number D is absolutely correct. Okay, yes, very good. Very good. Option number D is absolutely correct. Now we have to move next one quickly. Now this is very important question again. This is from order and ranking, and this question is from SBI PO Pre 2018 paper. Okay, now after this question we will be discussing the approach of solving paper. Okay, इसके बाद हम लोग approach discuss करेंगे, then we will wind up the session. चलो try to solve it. ये last the same type of question I have already discussed in my previous sessions. ये ऐसा ही क्वेश्चन मैं ऑलरेडी आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस कर चुका हूं. I need answer, I need arrangement. Okay, चलो फटाफट करो. Yes, Jinsi, BH, yes, Nicey, yes, 10 answer, yes, yes, everybody answer is absolutely correct. Done? Just tell me, just comment me done or not. See, we have 6 boxes. So how to solve order and ranking? मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया हुआ कि ऐसा क्वेश्चन कैसे सॉल्व करना है. You have to use number trick. Okay, what we have to use? We have to use number trick. By using the number trick, we can solve this question very quickly. So how many books are there? 6 boxes. 6 boxes, or we can say 6 books. So write down the number 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. इस ऑर्डर में just write down the number. Just write down 6 number. Okay, this is highest, or we can say top. Okay, and this is lowest or least. Second is second lowest, second highest. Okay, not lowest. Second is second highest. This is third highest. This is second lowest. This is third lowest. Okay, so agar from top to bottom you will count, so you will count from the highest. If bottom to top you will count from the lowest. Okay, I think these things are already clear to all of you because we have already discussed these type of questions earlier as well. ऐसे question हमने पहले भी discuss कर चुके हैं. Yes, प्रशांत ने, yes, very good. Book A is kept at the shelf which is only less in size then shelf D is kept. So only word is there. I already told you, you have to know the meaning of the word only. What is the meaning of only? Only means that particular thing is fixed. Okay, in reasoning we use only to fix any particular thing. So A is only less than D. So if A is only less than D, so where should A come? A come on second and D should come on the top, because A is only less than D. A place is fixed. So A should be greater than other box or book left. Okay. But A should be only less than D. That means D should be on the top and A should be on the second place, and A is greater than any other book which we have left. A second place पे आएगा और A बाकी जो बुक्स बची हैं उनसे बड़ा होगा. ओके बाकी जो भी बुक्स बची हैं उनसे क्या होगा? बड़ा होगा. नाउ ओनली 3 शेल्फ आर लेस साइज देन शेल्फ in which book C is kept. So only again word is used. So we have fixed the place of C as well. So only 3 books are less than C. So C to C should come on the third. Then only we can say only 3 shelf are less than C. Okay. So we have fixed D, A, C. Now the shelf in which F is kept is less than the shelf in which E is kept. Okay. So F is less than E. So E can come over here or F can come over here, or we can say E can come over here or F can come over here, or we can say E can come over here or F can come over here. So there are 3 possibilities. Okay. So we will use it further. We have to read the next line as well. There are 3 possibilities. F is not kept at the lowest. So from this our possibility will be eliminated. So F will not come at the lowest. So only one place is left for F, that is this one, and E will come over here. Now which book is left? Book B is left. So B will come on 6. So this is the correct arrangement. Very good प्रशांत वानी, बहुत अच्छे भाई. हिंदी वालों आपको समझ में आया? जिसको इंग्लिश में प्रॉब्लम थी, आर यू एबल टू गेट इट? आपको समझ में आया? यस. तो देख लो आपका आंसर होना चाहिए DACEFB. दिस शुड बी योर आंसर. Yes, very good, very good. Now we will discuss the question. Who among the following books is kept at the lowest? So I can say at the lowest, which one was there? B was there. Okay. So we will mark option number A. Question number 10. If the size of shelf in which book E is kept is 16 centimeter square. Okay. So we have to write over here that is 16 centimeter square. Okay. Then which of the following may be the size of shelf in which book E is kept? Now answer. Answer me this. Comment me the answer. फटाफट. Then we have to end this session. फटाफट आ जाओ. Answer. These same type of question I have already discussed with you. Okay. So you can see every time these questions get repeated in pre-examination. Okay. Vani बहुत अच्छे. Very good. And what about Nasreen, Prashant, Anupama? Your answers quickly. बारह. Very good. 12. Akash, where are you भाई? आपका भी आंसर हमें चाहिए. C is at this 16 and it is asking about B. So B के बारे में पूछा है तो so the size should be less than 16. Okay. So any size which is less than 16, that will be the answer. So what we have to do, we have to check the option, then only we can take the correct answer. So any size which is less than 16 will be our answer. So 16 less is not 19, 22, no, yes. 12 centimeter square is the correct answer. Now last question 11. फटाफट आंसर बताओ 11 का आंसर. फटाफट आंसर बताओ. B. Okay. How many shelf are less than the shelf in which book E is kept? Okay. So how many less than book E is kept? 2. Okay. So the correct answer is I can say option number B. Yes. Okay. So now we will discuss the last year strategy, the last year exam analysis of SBI PO Pre. Not strategy. We will discuss the exam analysis, and after analysis we will wind up the session. Okay. SBI PO Pre exam analysis. I will take only 4 to 5 minutes of all of you. Then I will wind up the session. Okay, so just थोड़ा सा और देख लो, it will be beneficial. Yes, 2 is the correct answer, Vani. Yes, 2 is the correct answer. So the exam analysis was like this. In English, the good attempt was 23 to 36. In reasoning, it was 30 to 34. So you can say reasoning ability was easy. That is why you can say good attempt over here. See, if the paper is easy, the cutoff will be high. Mark my word. If the paper is easy, the attempt will increase. Okay. If the attempt will increase, simultaneously it will affect the cutoff as well. So आपकी cutoff भी बढ़ेगी. If paper is moderate, then simultaneously your attempt can be less, and there is chances then cutoff can go less. Okay, so this is how the cutoff gets decided. It's totally depend upon the level of the question. No one can predict what cutoff can be, what would be, but it's totally depend upon the level of the question. So in question में मत पढ़ना सर cutoff क्या होगी, क्या कैसे क्या करना. No, you just have to focus on your preparation. Okay, in quantitative attitude the good attempt was 21 to 27, and you can see the total attempt good, it is saying that is 68. So I can say that maximum student would have attempted 70 plus question. Yes, 2 is the correct answer, Vani. A maximum student would have attempted 70 plus question. So it's totally depend upon the level. Do not set your target before going the examination. Why? Because if you set the target, you will flush your exam. You will be under pressure and you will be not able to perform good in your examination. So do not set target before going the exam. कि भाई मैं तो 80 करूंगा. I will attempt 80. I will attempt 70. I will attempt 90. Do not set target. Just give it the best shot of yourself. Okay, but your target should be you have to attempt maximize with good accuracy, and that will be only possible how? If you know the correct approach of solving different kind of questions. Now this is the last one. Now I will tell you the reasoning section distribution in SBI PO 2019. Okay, so the level of reasoning was easy to moderate, as you can see. That is why the attempt was 30 to 34 out of 35. Then only it is possible, otherwise it is not possible. There were 4 sets of puzzle and sitting arrangement. Okay, so there were 4 sets of puzzle. So you can say that puzzle and sitting arrangement were of 20 marks. Why? Because 4 sets are there, so 4 into 5 will give us 20. 5 the question. Okay, now inequality is of 5 mark and the level was easy. Here the level was moderate. So you can attempt 20 out of 20 if you know the correct approach of solving different kind of puzzles in examination. Now 5 questions was of syllogism. 3 questions was from blood relation. In next session we will be discussing blood relations questions as well. Okay, because you can see in every pre-examination it comes off 3 mark. 100% confirmed that it will come off 3 mark. You can check any memory based paper student, you will see blood relations of 3 marks. And the last one will be the alphabet test. What is alphabet test? The questions which we have discussed today. Today's question is based on the alphabet test only, and this topic comes in miscellaneous part in reasoning. If we talk about the puzzles and sitting arrangement distribution in the paper, the sitting arrangement from linear and parallel row, and there were 12 people in the row that we have to arrange this type of question. And these type of questions I have already discussed with you as well. Okay, so double row sitting arrangement is also very important. Floor based puzzle also I have discussed. So what we have to do in floor based puzzle, just fix the floors and start solving. And the next one was circular sitting arrangement, and there was 2 variables. So in circle we have to plot the people and find the answer. Now last one is box based puzzle. What we have to do, the box based puzzle I've already discussed in my previous session. I hope you know that question from the SBI which I have discussed. जो मैंने लास्ट सेशन में क्वेश्चन लिया था वो SBI का क्वेश्चन था, and that question was very important as well. वो क्वेश्चन भी बहुत important था. That I have already told you the trick of arranging box based puzzle. Okay, so these were the segregation. Is it clear now? Can I wind up the session? If any kind of doubt is anybody having, then you can tell me. फटाफट बताओ, then I have to wind up the session. Okay, so चलो फिर सेशन बंद करते हैं. बाय बाय. थैंक यू नासरीन. Thank you all our students, those who have joined today. Okay, today's session was very good. I'm very happy to see your all responses. So ऐसे ही आते रहो, ऐसे जुड़ते रहो, and do not forget to come on Tuesday because my classes is on schedule Tuesday only. So if you want to go for reasoning, then you have to come on Tuesday. Yes. Thank you. Welcome. And Ali Shahbaz, welcome. Okay, sir. Thank you. Good night. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Do not forget to download our app. The link in the description. Okay, where you can purchase our premium courses. All these things are already discussed over there. Okay, and Entri is also providing huge discount. So do check it out. Do check it out the prices. Okay. So take care. Bye bye. Good night. Okay.